Assalamu alaikum viewers. Good morning. Hope you all are fine. Today I will show you the new animations of Canva. Please keep in mind these animations are only available on Canva Pro. So I have a Canva Pro, so I can use these new animations of Canva. First of all, I go to Elements and search any video. Here, this is the first video which I have selected. Okay, now go to animate and check here. These are the featured 6 animations. Okay, go to second page, click on colors, select the color and click on gradient. I will choose green and this one is the red or might be blue. Mm, this kind. This type of the background I have choose this one and this is much better. Okay, now I drag this video to this page. Go to animation like this. First of all, the brush. Check like this. There are 4 styles: wild, swirl, depth. These are amazing. Now we need to check the second one, ink. Here is also the 4 types, 4 style, flow. These are mind-blowing animations. When you use in your videos, it will give amazing effect. And digital, here is only 3: center, linear, scatter. And when you use on starting of your video, and your video will go to a next level. Spray paint, it is only one, and the other one is sketch. In a sketch, there are also 4 types: fill, swipe, scratch, and squiggle. And this is a very amazing animation. And the most attractive animation is gradient. In gradient, you have 3 options: circular, blocks, and the line. Inshallah, in my next video I will use these animation, and you can get an idea how can we use these in our video to make our videos amazing. Hope you will like my video. If you like my video, then share my videos and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz, till my next video.